What's up, y'all? Oh, shit. Johnny back yet again. Today is a momentous day. Today is my 1 year anniversary on making dip videos. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Today, whatever the hell today is, I don't remember the frickin' date. I've been out of it the last couple days. I mean, my head's killing me. I'm tired. I gotta go to work. That's where I'm headed right now. Oh, shit. Freaking railroad tracks. But today's a minute day. I don't remember the date. I don't even know what the hell today is. Like the day of the week. I think it might be Wednesday or something. I don't know. But today is my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I started sometime in January. I didn't realize it till yesterday. I mean, I watched the Tow Truck and Dippers 1 year anniversary video. Good video, love it. And that made me start thinking, I'm like, oh shit, how long has it been since I started making dip videos? Well, it's been almost a year now, and also I went back, checked my first video, and it said, uploaded 1 year ago. Hot damn. 1 year on YouTube. I am freaking thrilled. Now, this is just a video letting y'all know that it's my 1 year anniversary. This is not my 1 year anniversary video. This is just a little update because I got till the 30th or 31st of January, whatever the last day of January is. Dog. And I'm probably going to take out my brother's shotgun. Go up to the shooting range. Unload a bit. Oh, shit. Officer. Yeah, I'm driving through Saranac Lake right now, headed to work. Got about a half hour before I gotta be there. Might show up a couple minutes early. See if my check's in. Because this freaking mammoth of a vehicle, this tank, as I referred to it before, is just under quarter tank. And I'm probably not gonna have enough money in the freaking check that I'm getting today to put a full tank in it. Because I owe my brother $30. Because I bought the season pass for Black Ops 2 last week. And I was only able to give him half the money up front. And I'm going to pay him back the other half today. Fucking potholes. Now, lately up here in the beautiful northern New York, the Adirondack Park, where I live, the temperatures have been varying between like slightly above zero and in the double digits below zero. Right now, it is 2:55. Well, actually, it's 2:52 because my clock's 3 minutes fast in the truck. And I am currently heading south on Main Street in New York, in Saranac Lake, and it is 52 degrees out. This is the normal Adirondack weather. I mean, last year we had it snow in fucking July. I mean, it pretty much melted 10 minutes later, but it still snowed in fucking July. That's New York for you. Now, my following video, my anniversary video, is going to be my gun law video. I'm looking up some stuff on the new New York State gun laws. Check out Mudjug1, Darcy's channel, Mudjug1. His recent one on Skull Ready Cut Straight. That one, oh shit, there's another trooper. There's another video, he's got a video up, and he's discussing his next video, which is going to be discussing the New York State gun laws and the California gun laws. And I'm doing a little bit of research right now on the current New York State gun laws that were just passed. From what I understand, any weapon with a pistol grip is currently illegal in New York State. And you have 1 year to the day that the law was passed to either sell it or move it out of state. And there's also a part of that law. Let's see where I'm at. I don't fucking know. About 5 minutes. Alright, keep this going for a while. There's a law that states that you can only have a 7-round magazine. So if any of your weapons hold more than 7 rounds, apparently you either have to get one of them little stoppers for your clip, which make it a 7-round clip, or you have to go out and buy a legit 7-round clip. Which, for me, I can understand that. I mean, you don't really need more than 7 rounds when you're hunting. If you do, there's something wrong. But if you're like target shooting, I can see why you want more than 7 rounds in a clip. But, for right now, I'm just giving you a little heads up on what's going on. Sorry, I'm a little cautious right now because I got a fucking trooper following me. He's about 3-4 car lengths behind me. And I'm not entirely sure where my wallet is. I have it somewhere here in the truck, but I don't know where the hell it is. Woo! Big rig. Hate it when they fucking blow by me. We're in a 50-mile-an-hour zone, and he's probably doing at least 60. Going down a hill. Really don't need to get pulled over right now. Because that'd be lovely in a conversation with my boss. Why are you late? Got pulled over. Although I am about 100 yards from the state trooper barracks, he might pull in there. He might be on a shift change. But, yeah, like I said, I'll have another video up soon of me shooting my brother's 12 gauge. And I'll also add into that video my research on the New York State gun laws. Son of a bitch, he's following me. You bastard. He didn't pull into the barracks. Because normally I'm doing at least 55, 60 on the way to work. Right now I'm in a 45 zone, so I'm going to keep it at 45 just so I don't piss this trooper off, because I'm not sure if I know him. I mean, if I know him, he might give me a little leeway. And I'll be like, what the hell are you doing driving this fast in this speed limit, or this speed zone? But lately I haven't had that much luck with troopers and fucking tickets. Because I got a ticket for the accident I was in back in December. And I'm still waiting on the frickin' letter from the U.S. District Attorney for our area. Because the accident happened in my uncle's jurisdiction. My uncle was the judge assigned the case, and I'm not sure if they're going to just throw it out, or if I'm going to have to go up here to Lake Placid to do the fucking thing, or if it's going to get kicked to Vermontville. I don't know. I'm still waiting on a letter from the U.S. District Attorney. But, I'll keep you posted. This is just going to be, as you can tell, I'm driving the truck again. This is basically the only time I have to fucking make videos right now. Especially with all the fucking work I've been doing. You know, we're going to kick it up to 55. That is the proper speed limit for this zone. It's fucking raining like a motherfucker, melting all the snow, so I got to be careful about my speed limit. Don't really need to wreck this vehicle. If I wreck this vehicle, I'm out of another vehicle, and we can't afford that right now. But, I'll upload this video after work. I'm probably going to get done around 9 or so. Depending on if they need me to stay until 10:30. But, once I get the time, I'll upload it. And, don't worry, there's many more videos coming. I might have to slow down a bit. You know, have like a week or so in between videos. Because my lips are... well, my gums are starting to get a little raw. And I'm not entirely sure if how much dipping I'm going to be doing in the next week or so, because I'm not sure how much I'm getting in this check. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it today or if I'm going to get it tomorrow. Because I need to save at least $30 for my brother I need to put some gas in this, so that's probably about another 25, 30. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna have left over after I put the gas in it and pay my brother back. If all else fails, I'll just pay my brother back next week because I'm getting a huge ass check next week. It's probably like 100 or so. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it's not the greatest video I've ever done. The last few videos I've done aren't exactly the best, but whew, it's been a while, ladies and gentlemen. 1 year. 1 year. So, Semper Fi, get her done. Y'all have a nice day. Keep on spending that black dart. Get yourself a mud jug. If you ain't got one, get one. If you already got one, get another one. I love them. As you can tell, I got Devil Dog with me, the new Marpat mud jug. Well, it's not new. It's been on the site for a while now, but I'll see y'all next time. Until then, see ya. Fucking A.